Okay, this is Astronomy Requirement 1C, and it says describe the proper clothing and other precautions for safely making observations at night and in cold weather. Then explain how to safely observe the sun, objects near the sun, and the moon. Okay, so observing objects near the sun, you're going to use eclipse glasses. If you're using a camera, then you're going to use a similar filter on your camera because just like your eyes, your light detectors in your camera can be damaged by the sun. So you're not going to use sunglasses. That's not strong enough. You need something that if you try to look through it under normal light, you won't see anything. If you try to look at a very bright light in your home, you might just see a dim outline. And then if you try to look at the sun with it, then you're going to see the shape of the sun. So it's going to look like foil normally, but when you're looking at a very bright object, you can still see the shape. That's what you need for observing the sun. Some planets always appear to be near the sun when viewed from Earth. So that includes Mercury and Venus. Those are the planets that are closest to the Earth. Or, I'm sorry, those are the planets that are close to the Earth, but they're the closest to the sun, and so they're always going to be near the sun. So they're going to be easiest to observe just before nightfall or just after, close to when the sun rises and when the sun sets. And so when you're trying to make observations of these two planets, the sun may still be up. And so there's a potential there to also get sun damage to your eyes when you're viewing Mercury or Venus. So you're going to use the same precautions and use eclipse glasses or wait till the sun's down before you try to make an observation of Mercury or Venus. The new moon is also seen near the sun, so don't look at it until the sun has disappeared from view. During the night, you're going to wear closed-toed shoes, and the reason why is it's dark. It's easy to bump your toes into things, so don't wear your flip-flops, but put closed-toed shoes on when you're doing astronomy observations at night. Use bug spray for mosquitoes. In cold weather, you're going to wear lots of layers. You're going to wear gloves and a warm cap. The warm cap keeps heat from escaping from your head. There's a lot of blood vessels on the surface of your head, so that's where most of the heat escapes the body is through your head. So make sure you have your cap on, make sure you have your gloves on because your fingers get cold down quickly, and wear lots of layers. All right, now it's time to go pass off. So talk to your parent or guardian regarding proper clothing and other precautions for safely making observations at night and in cold weather, and also during daytime when the sun is out.